What if I told you that hidden within the annals of ancient philosophy lies a secret so profound, it has the power to change your life forever? A secret that has been whispered through the ages by the Stoics, waiting for those brave enough to embrace it. Together, let us uncover this lost Stoic secret and awaken the resilience that lies dormant within us all. In the quiet moments of our lives, we often find ourselves grappling with the weight of our emotions: fear, anger, despair. These feelings can consume us, leading us down a path of suffering and turmoil. Yet, the Stoics offer us a beacon of hope, a guiding principle that can illuminate our darkest hours. Seneca, one of the greatest Stoic philosophers, once wrote, "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." This profound insight reveals the essence of the lost Stoic secret: the power of perception. It is not the events of our lives that dictate our happiness or suffering, but rather our interpretation of those events. As we embark on this journey of self-discovery, let us first acknowledge the importance of self-control. The Stoics believed that true freedom comes from mastering our desires and emotions. Epictetus, a former slave-turned-philosopher, taught us that it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. This is the crux of our transformation. We must learn to respond to life's challenges with grace and composure. In the face of adversity, we are often tempted to succumb to destructive emotions. Anger can blind us, fear can paralyze us, and despair can drown us. But the Stoics remind us that we possess the strength to rise above these feelings. We must cultivate an inner fortress, a sanctuary of resilience that shields us from the chaos of the external world. Journaling is a powerful tool that has been embraced by Stoics for centuries. In our journals, we can confront our fears, articulate our thoughts, and reflect on our experiences. This practice allows us to gain clarity and perspective, transforming our emotional turmoil into wisdom. As Marcus Aurelius wisely noted, "The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts." Let us remember that our thoughts shape our reality. By consciously choosing to view challenges as opportunities for growth, we can transcend our limitations. The lost Stoic secret lies in this very choice: the choice to embrace our circumstances with courage and to transform our suffering into strength. As we prepare to step into the world, let us carry with us the wisdom of the Stoics. We are not alone in our struggles. We are part of a lineage of thinkers who have faced adversity with unwavering resolve. Together, we can unlock the lost Stoic secret and harness the power of perception to reshape our lives. So, as we embrace the dawn of each new day, let us remember, we are the architects of our own destinies. With the ancient wisdom of Stoicism as our guide, we can transform our lives, overcoming destructive emotions and rising above the chaos. Together, let us awaken the resilience within us and change our lives forever.